Welcome back to App Mentor. Today, let me show you how to use Wiggle AI in mobile. First, search for Wiggle AI and click on the first link to go to the Wiggle website. After that, join the beta by clicking the green Join the Beta button and create an account. After logging in, upload a full body image of your character. In the Motion tab, upload a video that will dictate your character's action. Once you've set everything up, click Generate. Wiggle AI will create your video within a minute. Alternatively, you can use one of Wiggle AI's predetermined templates to create your video. Thank you for tuning in to App Mentor. If this video is helpful, please don't forget to like, hit the subscribe button, and leave a comment for any suggestions. See you on the next video!